Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focusing on the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just at forexfactory.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen. So I'm going to go through the news items affecting that potential pair this week. So with that in mind, let's just get through the items. So Tuesday, November the 9th, these are my time, Queensland time. Later in the day for me, 11:30 PM, we've got the US PPI coming out, core PPI. Getting into Wednesday on the midnight time, again we've got Fed Chair Powell speaking. Getting later in today on Wednesday, 11:30 PM, we've got the US CPI, core CPI coming out, and the US unemployment claims. Getting into Thursday, scrolling through in the morning, 10:30 AM my time, we've got the Australian employment change, unemployment rate. And then just noting on Thursday, we have a bank holiday for the US, so things could be slower going when that kicks in. Then into Friday, a few minor items coming out late Friday my time, early Saturday morning, and there's a tentative Treasury currency report coming out as well early Saturday. Okay, so make sure you go through the news items, you know what's coming out to affect the currency pairs that you're trading. The one I'm going to be reviewing today is the Aussie Japanese yen, so let's get to the charts. Alright, it's been a while since I reviewed this pair, and I'm on the monthly chart first of all, and it is making higher tops and bottoms, as we can see. Higher bottom, moving above a top here to a higher top, pulling back to support, and it's just put in a higher top. The question is, can it further progress through? Time will tell. So we're seeing high tops and bottoms on the monthly chart. MACD almost crossed down as it did this pullback, but just held its form, and I don't know how long it can hold before it is going to cross down. So we might be getting into a situation where this move up from 59.87 is just getting a bit long in the tooth. So monthly resistance is this top here at 85.80. Monthly support, this low here at 77.85. Getting support from this old high here at 78.46. So monthly trend is just holding in. We can see this month we are negative for the month at the moment, but we're only on the 9th trading day, or the 9th day of the month. So monthly trend is up. Let's get to the weekly. Weekly trend is up. We've got higher top, higher bottom, higher top just here, but then we've been holding for 3 weeks. We have a kind of a doji candle here, small inside candle, and then an outside reversal candle. So for 3 weeks we've been holding at monthly resistance at 85.80, trying to trade above, and then we had a very negative week last week. So I'm anticipating we might move further down, and long term maybe we've got a double top forming here. If that's the case, just from a price projection point of view for a double top, on my fib tool here I'm just dragging it from high to low, and I've got a 200% marker here. That's just measuring the height of the pattern. So the height of the pattern projected below gives me my double top price projection, and that comes down at 69.90. Now that's a long way away, and we're going to need a few more weeks to see if we are going to get a significant reversal. But if it is a double top, a true double top, now is the time to get yourself set for the decline. Alright, let me just clear things off. Just put my line back in. So that's monthly resistance up here, 85.80. So as I was saying, the weekly trend is up, but let's get in our support and resistance. So that's where we might be failing at from the monthly level. Weekly resistance, there's another level here that we're failing at, 85.18. That's 85.188. And then weekly support is here at 92.019. Alright, so my actual short-term target for a move down is weekly support here, and then the longer-term target would be my double top price projection at 69.90. Okay, so just to elaborate, I can see that the monthly trend is up and the weekly trend is up, so this is obviously a counter trend move at the moment. Is this a potential double top at the 85.80 and 85.18 resistance areas? So getting into the daily. On the daily, we can see that price is starting to break down to the downside. We've had a very successful cross of the MACD. Good angle and separation here at the moment. We rejected the area at 85.80, came down, had a revisit, another revisit, creating a minor double top here, and then we've traded down into a downtrend, breaking the support low here. Now I'm just looking for price to rally back up and then looking for an opportunity to sell. So let's put in monthly support and resistance. This is a minor level of daily resistance at 84.599. Then we've got this weekly level of support. That's a day level of support as well. That's at 82.01. And if we do come deeper up, this area 86.05 and this area 86.24, they're daily levels of resistance too. I'm not expecting maybe price will get that deep up, but time will tell. So just moving into a 4-hour chart, I'm just going to draw a fib in and then assess where I might look for an opportunity to sell. So let's get the fib in first of all. This is from the high of last week down to the low of last week. Now of course price might not rally back up. It didn't do that last week when I reviewed the pound dollar. I was looking for a rally and it didn't rally. So if this keeps moving down, I'm just going to keep dragging my fib tool down, waiting for a rally to occur. I don't like to just continually follow price down, so I'm looking for a rally. So moving to the 4-hour chart, another day trend is down, looking for a rally. I'll just get this on the final top there. And what I can see is I've got my daily resistance here, 84.59. If price just moves up to that level and holds, and then starts to want to move back down, I'll drop down to a lower time frame, looking for an opportunity to sell. So this level, there's a nice level up here. My weekly level of resistance at 85.18 lines up with the 62% level 85.19. That would be a great level to look for failure. You can see just to the left there's 4-hour resistance top as well. Or further up at the 79% level, 85.57. A little bit higher than that, we've got 85.80. Don't know if I'll go so high, but the levels I'm looking at are daily resistance 84.59 or 62% level, lining up with the weekly resistance. That's approximately 85.18, 85.19 level, or deeper into the 79% retracement level at 85.57. So I'm watching those three levels. If price can fail, let's drop down to a lower time frame and look for an opportunity to sell. Alright, just moving back to the weekly chart once more, just to refresh your memory. This double top here, long term, if it does start to reverse strongly, a long term target would be down here at 69.90. I know that's a long way away. Short term, for a target, if I can see an opportunity to sell in this area up here, would be down at weekly support at 82.01. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Want a real opportunity to improve your trading?
Join Duncan Cooper in his free 15-part webinar series designed to help you improve all areas of your trading.
9th of November. Using support and resistance across multiple time frames. During this webinar, you will learn all about support and resistance, how broken support becomes new resistance, and broken resistance becomes new support, how to use the support and resistance indicators across multiple time frames. 10th of November, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. In this webinar, Duncan will analyze the trend, support, and resistance, and use Fibonacci retracements to identify high probability trading levels on the major currency pairs, plus a live Q&A on your favorite charts. 11th of November, how to determine the market trend across multiple time frames. During this webinar, you will learn how to identify the current market trend. We will look over all aspects of trends, including the mega trend, and again finish with a live chart exercise to cement your learning.